I'll just. Hey guys, this is our second video. We're so excited.
Okay, so this is our new challenge called You Sound Dumb Challenge. Okay? So, I have an app that's going to make you sound dumb. You're going to say, Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny, but Penny likes Peter. Okay? When I say go, you're going to say it. Okay? You're going to say it more than 5 times.
Yeah.
And fast. Don't take your time. Ready? Go.
Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper. What? Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny, but no. Peter likes Penny. No. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny, but Penny likes. I'm so stupid. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper. What the? It's not saying it at the same time. I'm saying it. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Peter, but Penny likes Penny.
You said Peter did like 5 times.
Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny. Penny likes Peter. I said it.
Okay, more than 5 times. That's one.
Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Peeny.
Oh my god.
Peter likes
Okay, well that's it for her.
Oh my god, that was
She's gonna say it 5 times. So now it's my turn. Okay, so what you do? Next. Okay, so you're gonna start when I have these headphones on, okay? It's confusing, right? Okay. You ready? You ready? This is like weird. Okay, go. Ready? Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny. Wait. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny, but Penny likes Peter. Okay. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny.
What?
Wait. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny, but Penny likes Peter. Okay. Peter likes Pepper, but Penny likes Peter. What?
Balip? I heard balip.
Okay. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes penis. I thought it was real. I said it was. It's confusing. Okay. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny, but Penny likes. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper likes Penny, but Penny likes Peter. What?
Pepper like Penny.
Peter likes penis, but Peter likes penis. It sounds like penis. No. Wait.
What?
You like Pepper, but Pepper like Penny, but Penny. You like Pepper, but Pepper like penis, but Penny.
What?
Stop it! Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper like Penny, but Penny like Peter. 4. Peter likes Pepper, but Pepper like Penny, but Penny like Peter likes Penny, but Penny like penis.
Penis.
It's confusing. Well,
That was our second video.
I
know it was lame.
it was kind of lame,
lame,
kind of
but-
funny, but you know,
Yeah.
kind of short too. But it's a really fun challenge.
So
Like,
subscribe.
It's not.
Okay, guys, like and subscribe.
Like,
And yeah. So see you another day. Bye.
later, guys.